Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to modify BMW M5 in Car Simulator 2 Easy Guide. Start by backing up your setup, then open the garage and select the BMW M5 to enter customization mode. Check performance stats, save presets, and learn the difference between visual and tuning upgrades. I'll walk you through basic parts, testing tips on the track, and how to revert changes safely so you can experiment without losing progress. In this video, I will explain how to modify BMW M5 in Car Simulator 2 Easy Guide. Start by selecting body kits and paints to set the look, then adjust wheel offsets and ride height for stance and handling. I'll suggest color combos, wrap placement, and where to use matte versus gloss finishes. You'll learn quick tips to keep visual mods realistic and compatible with aerodynamic parts while maintaining a consistent style across the car. In this video, I will help how to modify BMW M5 in Car Simulator 2 Easy Guide. Begin with bolt-on upgrades like intake and exhaust, then proceed to ECU and turbo adjustments while monitoring power delivery. I'll show suspension tuning steps, brake bias changes, and differential settings that affect cornering and acceleration. Run dyno checks and test laps after each change to verify gains, and keep the setup back.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.